Hey everybody, I am Nick, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holidays with the Housewife video. If you don't know what that video series is, it is my Christmas card making event, 12 full days full of card making fun. Today I have a really fun top fold card for you. This is my Christmas Cardinal card. Isn't that cute? I love the little winter scene. It's always said that if you see a cardinal around your house, it means that a loved one is near that has passed. And I just think that this is just so very sweet. It has a simple little message that says Merry Christmas that you put on the bottom. And then it is a top fold card. And then right here is where you put your message. Now, the card itself can be made on all three cutting machines. The Cricut Joy, the Explore series, or the Maker series. The only thing about the file is that the envelope, and this is the included envelope with the little cardinal cutout, the envelope cannot be made on the Cricut Joy. So you could use the insert pack envelopes or just a regular, this is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, this card size. So you could just use a standard mailing envelope too, if you only have the Cricut Joy. But the card itself can be made on all three machines. If you haven't already, make sure that you hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the free SVG Cut File. To access my free file library, we're going to head to my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to the free file library, you can click Get Access. You'll fill out a form and then be emailed the password to enter. But for now, we're going to click Enter the Library, type in the password, and click Enter, and then you'll be brought to all the files. Now, at the time of this recording, I do not have any of the Holidays with the Housewife projects loaded into my file library. So there is a graphic that is popping up right now that will tell you the design number of the project that you are watching the video for. So you will click that hyperlink and download the file onto your computer. Go ahead and unzip that file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Okay, now that we're in a new project in Cricut Design Space, we can head to Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, and click Open, and then Upload, highlight the image, and then click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines in any text. Now that our design has been brought into Design Space, we need to head up to Ungroup, and now scroll down to where we find the envelope, highlight the score lines, and change that from Basic Cut to Score under the Operation menu. Highlight that group, and then select Attach. I'm going to move that out of the way. And now we need to do the main card base. Highlight the score line, change it to Score, highlight that group, and then select Attach. And that is it for this card. We can head up to Make It. You'll see the 4 different mats. Select Continue. For this project, I'm selecting medium cardstock. All right, let's go ahead and get everything cut out. Step 4. Cut out the design. Okay, for this project, we're going to need our cutting mat, our cardstock, scoring wheel or scoring stylus, Cricut scraper, Cricut brayer, and your glue or adhesive. I'm also going to be using my tweezers to help with the little itty bitty parts, but that's totally up to you. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when everything's all done. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, now that everything is cut out, it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. I'm going to do our little scene first. So first things first, we need to take our little snowy cardstock, place the birch trees over, add our glue, and then lay that on top. Just want to make sure that you line up the edges here. There we go. Now you want to take your cardinals and place them wherever you want. It doesn't really matter which tree branch you put them on. It's totally up to you. I'm just going to pick a couple. Actually, I'm going to use my tweezers and grab them. There we are. Now we can take our sentiment layer. Again, this is where the tweezers really come in handy because this one is pretty small. So I'm just adding little bits of glue all over the letters. I'm just using my fingers to make sure that all of the letters are standing up straight. Now, you can take your different snowflakes. I have a couple of different versions, so I'm just going to do the larger ones first, wherever I see a spot for them. All right, so there's our little scene. Go ahead and just set that to the side, let that dry. Now we're going to take our card base, and this is a top fold card, so we're just going to fold along the score line. Take our scraper and burnish the fold. And then the seam will lay here, then this recipient will flip it up, and this is your space that you can leave your message. So I'm just going to flip this over, add my glue all around the back here. And then center this onto my card base. Okay, so I'm going to set that to the side now. Let's go ahead and do the envelope. You're going to fold along the score lines and burnish the folds. Take our cover panel here. We're going to add glue around the outside edge and then along the cutout on the envelope. And now just place the inlay over the cutout and give that a good press. Turn that around. Bring the side flaps in. We're going to add some glue to the bottom of the side flaps. And now with our thumbs, just push up on the bottom flap to form your envelope. There you go. And there you are. Isn't that super simple to make? I love the little winter scene. If you make this card, make sure to tag me in social media. Hashtag Holidays with the Housewife or hashtag Bearded Housewife. I hope to see you at the next Holidays with the Housewife video. Until next time, I will see you later. Bye.